this video, I'm going to walk you through how to turn off activity status on LinkedIn. Now, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to head over to www.linkedin.com, which is a website. Now, I've already done that. I'm signed in. So the next thing you're going to do is over here, I want to turn off the activity status on this LinkedIn. The next thing you're going to do right now is click on the Me on the top here, the Me option to bring us our profile. Then we click on Settings and Privacy. After clicking on Settings and Privacy, on the left here we have some options. We're going to click on Visibility. Click on Visibility, and then you can see some options. Scroll down to Visibility of a LinkedIn activity and click on Manage Active Status. So now it's set here to put it on No One. This way, if effectively turned off activity status on LinkedIn. It's as simple as that. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this, which we put up every day. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.